Welcome to Thursday. It's the first day of October, which means it's officially time for fall. The leaves are going to change. It's going to get cold. We're going to have crisp mornings. It's time to break out your hoodies. It's the best time of the year. And it's also quiz time. So, today, this is what you are going to do. On Pearson, okay, this activity is on Pearson Easy Bridge, your online textbook. I've got it nice green highlighted to remind you there. You are going to review one more time those human body systems. Okay, you're going to work through your interactivity a slide at a time. I'm going to show you here in just a moment. And once you have reviewed your body systems, there's like a little match game. You're going to check your answers, and then there's a couple of short questions. And then here is your quiz link. It will be active October 1st. So remember to get to your book. You go right here to Clever, scroll all the way down to Science, unless, oh, I passed it right there. Pearson Easy Bridge, unless you have already bookmarked it up at the top. So Pearson Easy Bridge, you're going to click on that link. It's going to take you to a page that kind of looks like this one, just slightly different. And you're going to click on that Elevate Science modules right there. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And remember, we always go through this Center Classes button. That's going to take you directly to your assignment. When you get there, the assignment page should have one that says Interactivity, Human Body Systems. When you click on it, it's going to open up to this girl riding a bicycle. So you're going to read about the bicycle and the motion and look how that motion kind of corresponds to our body systems and what's working together. Once you've read, if you look down here, is your navigation buttons. You're going to advance your screen. And here is a review for our body systems. You can make them go big. You can zoom in and out. Here's your navigation. So you're on skeletal first. And you can advance, and now here is the circulatory, and then the respiratory, and muscular, all of those systems. The integumentary system, that's always the fun one to say. Your digestive tract, and then the nervous system. And again, you can always zoom in and make them look and drag them around, look at them close. Once you've reviewed all of them, the next slide is your matching game. Instructions are right there, a little drop down, but you're pretty much going to match them up. So these are drop and drag, and once you've got them all in place, you're going to check your answers. That way you kind of get an idea right now before you take the quiz if you get the idea of the body systems. Once you're done, you're going to keep clicking on. The artist is using fine motor movements. Which systems are interacting to make that happen? So what multiple body systems is she using? And then the same thing here with our rock climber. Describe what other systems must be part of her plan of action, like what other systems are working together. Once you've done that, you're just going to check mark and submit, and you're good to go. We are going to check to make sure that you have submitted this before you take your quiz. So make sure, review first, then go back and take your quiz. The quiz, I want to say, is like 10 questions. It's been a while since I've created it, but I want to say it's 10 questions, and it does go over all of that idea of cells make tissues, tissues make organs, organs make body systems, and these body systems work together to make our body function. It might have you look at a list of body systems and say which organ doesn't really belong to this system. So get the idea of, we're going to go a little bit more in depth with each of them and their functions, but overall what belongs to what and how do they all work together. That will be your quiz down here. Okay. Good luck, and I will see you tomorrow.